Hello everyone, welcome to Sunglory's factory. This is Lolian. We're a professional A to Z non-stick cookware turnkey project solution provider. We can help you set up a non-stick cookware coating plan, rice cooker coating plan with after-sales engineer service. You can manufacture non-stick pots and pans, rice cooker, air fryer and other cookware. Up to 2024, we have helped many clients set up their coating factory. Most of our clients start profiting within 6 to 12 months or 18 to 24 months. This is our non-stick coating plan, which is available for Teflon coating, ceramic coating, and marble coating. Its capacity can be customized from 400 pieces per hour, 600 pieces per hour, to 800 pieces per hour. Our coating plan is good for all brands painting material, including DuPont, Whitford, Weber, and Grablon. Our current furnace has 4 temperature zones, from 280 degrees to 425 degrees. The coated pots and pans will be baking inside for 25 to 30 minutes. We use Riello's burner, Siemens PLC, and touch screen. Our built-in insulation fan can save 50% energy. This is our sandblasting machine for increasing adhesion before coating. This is our factory director, Engineer Tang.
大家好，我叫唐在超，我是上冠集团涂装设备部的厂长。
Engineer Tang has more than 27 years experiences in powder coating and non-stick coating line. We can offer you molds, machines, and service. Our engineer will design the non-stick cookware production line according to our client's requirement. As you can see, this current furnace is finished and ready to ship to clients. Our engineer will go to your factory for installation and worker training. We can help you set up a non-stick cookware production line. Last month, our engineer team helped SKB Cookware set up a rice cooker coating plant within 30 days. Let's take a look. Contact us. Produce your most popular pots, pans, and appliances locally.